When you first launch the app, you'll notice there are no items in your browse screen, but you will be prompted to add your first item. And by doing that, you just tap on the plus sign. From there, you're going to click on Add Item. And the easiest way to add your items is to scan a barcode. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Scan Barcode, and I'm picking up one of my Distress Oxide ink pads. And when I scan it, the image comes in for that particular item, as well as all the details about it. You may also want to add color tags, and you can do that by moving the color bubble around and picking the various colors from your item. Once you're done with your color tags, you can add word tags as well. These will be used when you're using the search from the browse screen, so you can put in any multi-word, single-word combinations here. The last thing you may want to do is add where you're going to store this particular item. So you go ahead and type in where you're going to be storing it, and then just tap on Add Item, and you're done. The next way I'm going to show you is by searching our barcode catalog. And you're going to go ahead through the same steps of adding an item, but this time tap on Search. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and type in my search criteria for this particular item. And what will come back are all of the items that match that criteria. And from here, I'm just going to select one of those items. And again, everything is populated from our barcode catalog. This time when I do my color tags, I'm going to use the auto pick feature, which pulls the top 6 colors from that particular item. Now that I'm done with my color tags, I'm going to enter my word tags. And I'm going to add quite a few here because I think the more tags that you enter, the easier it will be to find the items when you're making your next project. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few associated with this particular paper pad. And when I'm done with my word tags, I'm going to enter my storage location for this paper pad. And then when I'm done with that, all I need to do is tap on Add Item, and I'm done. The last way you can add an item is by manually adding it. So I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to tap on the plus sign, then select Add Item. But this time, I'm actually going to take a photo of the particular item I want to add. So go ahead and take a picture of it. And then what you'll need to do is fill out the name of the item. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the name of this particular stamping set. And then after that, I'll need to specify the category. And you can see there's a long list of options here. I'm going to go ahead and search for stamp, hit save. And then just like all the other details, I can complete the tags. I can add the storage location for where I'm actually storing the particular item, and then adding the manufacturer. Now that I've added this last item, I want to walk through where you can modify which categories are available to your items. So if you go to the settings page, the next thing you'll see is a section for category settings. And if you tap on that, you'll see all the various categories that we've added to the app. And you can simply toggle the slider button on the right-hand side to either included or excluded. And this will reduce the number of categories you have displayed when you're adding your own items to the app. Now the last thing I'm going to walk through is how do you edit your items once you've added them to the app. The easiest way is to do a long press on that particular item, and you'll see a menu pop up. The second option is to edit details. And from here, you can change any of the entries that you've added for that particular item. Now, the second way you can do that is by tapping on the item directly. And then in the top right-hand corner, there are the 3 dots. You'll see the same menu options. One is to edit details. And from here, you can go ahead and add more tags, remove tags, change your storage location. And when you're done making all of your changes, just tap on the Save button and they'll be applied.